Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I wanted to play with the newest collection from Colourpop. It's the Legend of Korra. So I didn't buy the entire collection. I only bought the eyeshadow palette and the 4 multi-chromes just because this is new for Colourpop. So I'm excited to try it. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but if you want to find out, then please just keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So I'm going to be creating a look today. I'm using Colourpop The Legend of Korra. Alrighty, so this is what the outer packaging looks like, and then this is the palette right here. The inside looks, this is cute, it's like a little book, but it says Colourpop The Legend of Korra, and then this is the color story right here. So I'm not sure what I want to do today. I kind of want to stick to like the greens. I've done a lot of you know, purple, oranges, and I've used like pops of blue. So I kind of want to do something different, maybe with the green. And then for the multi-chromes, of course, I want to use one of them. They came out in 4 shades. So this is the packaging. And let me take them out really quickly. But yeah, these are the 4 shades right here. They have pretty shifts. So, you know, depending on the look that I do today, I'll probably use one of these two. Mostly the green. The green has like a purple pink reflex to it. Really pretty. This one has like a, it's more copper than anything. So we'll see. But I'm going to be trying one of those. And I'm also going to be trying the Cinch Beauty brushes. I got them in the mail and I'm so excited to try these. Cinch Beauty, if you didn't know, is from Angelica Nikves. I believe that's how you pronounce her last name here on YouTube. So I'm pretty excited. So yeah, let me take them out of the wrapper and then we can get started on the look. Alrighty, so I took them out of their little plastic bags and they're so soft. Oh my gosh. But alrighty, so before we jump in, I've already moisturized the face, of course, and then I did my eyebrows. I lined them with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and then I filled them in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Powder, both in the shade Ebony. And then I carved the bottom of my eyebrows and primed the lids with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So that's all I have going on so far, and now I'm gonna jump into the eyeshadow palette. Alrighty, so I think I'm going to be using Earthbending, which is in this top corner right here, and I'm going to be doing a halo eye. So I'm going to be applying that shade in the inner and outer part of the eye first, and I'm going to, so I'm going to use the Cinch Beauty E101 brush, and it came with a little cardstock, and it says this flat tapered brush is the perfect brush to pack on color, matte, or shimmers. The bristles are cut to easily pick out products, and the pointed tips help with precision. So okay, so what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to use the shade Earthbending in the inner and outer part of the crease. I'm going to grab my handy dandy mirror just because this doesn't have a mirror. And I just tapped my brush into the palette and already you can see how much pigment it has. Alright. Just keeping it in the lid. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna use the Cinch Beauty E.L.F brush. This is a small blending brush, and it says here, this is a small detailed fluffy brush to with precision add colors to the crease or outer corner, all this without losing intensity. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Mover Star, which is this light green shade, and I'm going to use that shade to blend out this emerald green. So I'm going to apply it here in the crease. Now if you feel like you lost a little bit of intensity, you can always go back and apply a little bit more of that green, which I feel like I did. So I'm going in with a little bit of that emerald green called Earth Bending, and just intensify the inner corner and the outer corner as well. And then I'm just going to go back with the blending brush to make sure edges are clean. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like so far. And now I think I want to go in with one of the multi-chromes in the center of the lid. I'm not sure if I want to add a glitter glue or anything. I'm not sure. But I'm just going to go in without anything and just apply this. I'm going to be using the shade Earth, which is this really pretty, it's like a lime green with a shift of a purple or pink. So here's the shade right here. So as you can see, it's right there. I hope you can see the shift. It's right here. But yeah, I'm gonna apply this to the inner part, not the inner part, the center of the lid. All right, so I'm gonna look down because any liquid glitter will make it crease. I'm gonna grab a brush and try and blend it out. I'm going to give it a few seconds to dry down, and then I'll look up, just because if it dries with the creasing, then it's obviously going to look creasing. So I'm going to keep looking down for a couple of minutes, and then I'll come back. Alrighty, so I think it's dry, and this is what the eyes look like. Now I'm going to jump off camera, finish the face, do a liner, lashes, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. So stay tuned. Alrighty, and I'm back. So this is the final look right here. I did add a green eyeliner. This is the LA Girl Shockwave Metallic Eyeliner in the shade Dragon on the bottom, because I think it gives it like a nice little pop. And then of course the Legend of Korra eyeshadow palette, which I only used 2 shades, but I think it came out, the look, I think it came out nice. The 2 shades that I used were great. They blended out seamlessly. I had no issues. I have to keep using the palette and use the other colors so I can see if the formula is consistent within the palette. So I like that. And for the chrome eyeshadows, I'm not yet sold on them. They look really pretty. However, I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but this eye is really patchy. Now I do have other chrome shadows as well, and usually, you know, I'll apply just a thin layer and I'll let them set by looking down. That way it doesn't set with my creases, and I haven't had any issues yet so far. But with this one, I feel like even though I did that, it still creased on me, and now it's dry, so I feel like some of the some bits and pieces, I guess, that are a little bit thicker are like flaking off. So I'm not, this might be user error, but yeah. And this is more patchy and creasy than this one, and I didn't do anything differently. I don't know, I still have to keep playing with these, maybe use like a glitter glue or some type of a sticky base for them to not look as patchy as they do. But they're pretty. The shade is really nice. It's just maybe I should go in with a thin layer. I know with this one I did 2 layers, with this one I did 1 actually. Yeah, now that I think of it. Because as I was doing this eye, I noticed that it started creasing, so I went in with a second layer, and maybe that's why it looks as patchy as it does. And of course, when I finished my makeup, I went in with the shade again, just where it was creasing, and it started flaking off. It started picking up whatever I had on there. So I'm not really convinced with these yet. I have to, like I said, I have to keep playing with them to see how I really feel about them. So yeah. But the eyeshadow so far, it's great. More looks to come. So yeah, those are my thoughts on the palette. I really hoped you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.